Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IDEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, big showdown here headed into next week, and it's going to be a showdown that longs and shorts and everybody in between are watching because it has everything to do with that support line right there. And this will mean a little bit more to those that have watched the past videos. But if you haven't, I've talked about that green line over and over again at 285 as an area of support. And wouldn't you know it, today, price started off down here, did a good job, made a nice bounce, but then pulled back and once again stopped right around that 285 mark. But what now is making this just that much more interesting is not that far below, you have the pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very, very famous 200 period moving average. That's one of those areas where even if you have a basic surface deep understanding of technical analysis, I'm sure you've heard of that 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, it does tend to act as resistance. So more of the story here, there's a whole lot of support now all of a sudden right around this general vicinity of the chart. So there's going to be all sorts of people watching and wondering, and rightfully so, are the bulls going to be able to maintain this area, or is this going to be, a start of a bigger move to the downside? So 285 and then 282, which is the value of that 200 period moving average, definitely two very important level and very relevant areas of support early next week. Now, if the price all of a sudden decides to bounce back upwards, then as far as areas of resistance are concerned, very straightforward. All about that purple line right there, the 50 period moving average, which you can see the price has already been struggling with previously. So keep an eye on that. But, at least in my opinion, the most relevant dynamic is all about those support levels here and seeing if the price can stay above them or not. So yeah, early next week, definitely going to be very interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.